everyone. Welcome to our course on HMS Core in-app messaging kit. This course includes 6 sections: an introduction to HMS in-app messaging kit, HMS in-app message kit required settings, the Android code, creating an in-app message, FAQ, some useful links. An introduction to HMS in-app messaging kit. In-app messaging of App Gallery Connect is used to send relevant messages to target users who are actively using our app, to encourage them to use key app functions or send attractive promotion activities to enhance user loyalty. It even allows us to customize our messages in addition to default message styles. We can also define events for triggering message sending to our users at the right moment. For example, you can use this service to send a promotion message of a course when a user views learning information, improving the course purchase rate. Let's see some of the use cases of in-app messaging kit. Promoting key functions of your app. For example, we can use in-app messaging to give a prompt when a user passes a level in a game. Sending targeted messages. For example, we can send a message to provide users with New Year gifts. How HMS in-app messaging kit works. When you integrate the in-app message SDK into your app, the SDK automatically synchronizes in-app messages published on the App Gallery Connect server and determines whether to display a specific in-app message once it is triggered by an in-app event through a layout. In addition to the default message layout, you can also call relevant APIs of the in-app messaging SDK to customize a message layout for personalized experience. During message creation, you can set the redirection link for a message. Then, user will be linked to the corresponding content after tapping the message. With the help of Huawei Analytics, the in-app messaging SDK is able to report message display and tap events to App Gallery Connect. You can view the statistics on message displays, tabs, and conversion data in App Gallery Connect for operational decision making. Let's see the settings required for HMS in-app message kit. Create a new app or project in the Huawei App Gallery Connect. Provide the SHA key and app package name of the Android project in App Information section. Under Project Setting, provide storage location in Convention section. Enable App Messaging Kit setting in Manage API section. Navigate to Grow App Messaging and click on Enable Now button. Download the AG-Connect services.json from App Information section. Add the JSON file in the app folder of the Android project. In project level build.gradle file, add Maven URL inside the repositories of build script and all projects respectively, and add class path inside the dependencies section. In application level build.gradle file, add plugin and add libraries in the dependencies section. Add internet, access network state, and access Wi-Fi state permissions in Android manifest file. Sync the project. Let's see the Android code. Anonymous Application Identifier. Anonymous Application Identifier AAID is needed for testing purpose. This AAID will help in sending in-app messages to particular device. To obtain AAID, use getAAID method. Create an instance of HMS instance ID. Using getAAID method, obtain ID result. Call add-on success listener callback using ID result. On success, get the AAID from getID method. Initialize the AG Connect app messaging instance. Allow data synchronization from the App Gallery Connect server. Enable message display. In order to test in-app message, data must be obtained from the App Gallery Connect server by force. The setForceFetch API can be used only for message testing. Creating an in-app message. Sign in to App Gallery Connect and click on My Projects. Select your project. After selecting your project, you will select App Messaging from the menu. The image displays the option in the menu for selecting App Messaging in App Gallery Connect. Select New button to create new in-app message to send to the device. Provide the name and description. Set the style and content, confirm the settings, and click Next. Select the message type from the Type drop-down list box. Currently, pop-up, image, and banner options are supported. After providing the details in Set Style and Content section, move on to the Image section. Two images are provided here for portrait and landscape mode of the app. Here, the point to be noted is, for portrait, the image aspect ratio should be 3:2, and for landscape, the image aspect ratio should be either 1:1 or 3:2. Buttons can be provided in the pop-up message. The button contains an action. This action contains two options. User can be provided with disable message action or redirect user to particular URL. Parameters like title, message body, title text color, body text color, background color, image settings, button settings, and action settings are required for each message type. The table displays the parameters that are supported and not supported with respect to each message type. Set the sending target and click Next. Here you can click New Condition to add a condition for matching target users. Condition types include app version, OS version, language, country or region, audience, user attributes, last interaction, and initial startup. The next section is the Set Sending Time section. Schedule a date and time to send message. Provide an end date and time to stop sending message. Message can be displayed on an event by using trigger event functionality. For example, you can display a discount of an item in a shopping app. A trigger event is required for each in-app message. You can also flexibly set the frequency for displaying the message. The last section is the Set Conversion Event section. This section is optional. Click Save in the upper right corner to complete message creation. Also, you can click Preview to preview the display effect of your message on a mobile phone or tablet. Here, the point to remember is, do not hit the Publish button yet. Just save it.
Yeah.
Now you need to test the message in our app. In order to do that, you need to find the message that you need to test and click Test in the operation column as it is shown in the image. Click Add Test User and enter the AAID of the test device in the text box. Also run the app in order to find AAID of the test device in the logcat of the Android Studio. Publish the message by selecting Publish option in the operation column. The images shows the examples of pop-up, banner and image message types in a mobile application. These are some of the FAQs which may shed more light on Huawei in-app messaging kit. Here you can find some useful links to learn more about Huawei in-app messaging kit. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below or visit Huawei developer website. Thank you.